Alright, so I just picked this thing with some bobby pins. Let's see if I can do it again. Wasn't an easy task. But, let's see if I can do this. I got probably, what, 2.5 minutes now at this point. Let's see if we can do it. It's up to a full set. Let's see what we got here. Counter rotation, good click. Counter rotation, good click. Counter rotation. I think, yep. Come on. Come on. Ah. Oh, good click. Let's see. Trying with bobby pins. I've done it once. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Freaking bobby pins. Alright, over a sec, gonna let it drop. Good click in the front. Good click. First pin, I believe. Good click. Hopefully one more. Jeez. Unless I'm dropping pins or something. I don't know. Come on. Where are we at here? In the first pin? Maybe. Come on. Oh, good click. First pin. How many more do we got here? Come on. Ah, good click. Hurt my fingers now. Good click. Must be dropping pins. Good click. Still not open. Good click and open. Jeez. It's brutal. Brutal. Let's take a look at this bidding on here. I think that's why. I think if it wasn't so bad at bidding, probably be a little bit easier. There you have it, bobby pins. Was that 80 Ti 40